Merrill's principles of instructions were developed by David Merrill. This model focuses on effective learning through real-world problem solving. It emphasizes that students learn best when they are actively engaged in a meaningful task that allow them to apply knowledge and skills in a practical situation. So, Merrill's model explains that learning becomes more effective when students solve real life problems and actively participate in a learning process. Instead of simply listening to lectures, students are encouraged to think, explore, and apply knowledge in a meaningful ways. The first principle of Merrill's principle is the problem-centered learning. Instructions begin with a real-world problem or task that students need to solve. This approach motivates learners because they can see the relevance of what they are learning to real-life situations. The next is activation. It involves connecting new knowledge to what students already know. Teachers helps learners recall previous experiences or prior knowledge related to the lesson. This make it easier for students to understand new concepts and build deeper learning. Next, we have the demonstration. It occurs when the teacher shows how a concept or skill works. This may include examples, models, videos, or step-by-step explanation. By observing demonstrations, students gain a clear understanding before they try to perform a task themselves. Next, we have the application. It allows students to practice what they have learned. They solve problems, complete tasks, or solve activities that use the new knowledge. This stage is important because practice strengthens understanding and helps students develop skills. Next, we have the integration. It happens when the students apply their new knowledge in a real-life context. This may present project, discuss ideas, or use their learning in everyday situation. This helps students see the value of what they learned and retain their knowledge longer. So, the Merrill's model emphasizes active learning. Students participate in discussions, group activities, and problem-solving tasks instead of just passively listening. Active engagement helps improve understanding and encourages deeper learning. So, what is the benefit of Merrill's principle? So, one major benefit of Merrill's principle is that it develops critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Students become more independent learners because they practice applying knowledge instead of simply memorizing information. What is the importance of Merrill principles in teaching? So, it helps teachers create a meaningful learning experiences by focusing on real-world problems and active participation. Teachers can help students develop practical knowledge and skills that are useful beyond the classroom.